My video is about removing the online scam related to the site securesoftwarepc.com. Securesoftwarepc.com is a deceptive site that attacks many browsers right now. These pop-ups are the example of an online scam that tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It may also display some other scary messages, and it is dangerous to click on the proceed button because, as a result, you may be redirected to some other junk sites. Also, this particular resource tries to encourage you into clicking on the special allow button, which might be integrated into this pop-up. So please be careful. Do not ever interact with these fake alerts and do not trust their deceptive content. The reason why these pop-ups come up on your screen is because the system could be messed up by some hidden adware. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel, and if you detect any suspicious programs, you should get rid of them. Right-click on them and uninstall them. To make sure that your device is free of other threats, I would recommend researching with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green button, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.